Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing a sleek and stylish timepiece, the Beverly Hills Polo Club Men's Silver Medal Strap Chronograph Watch, model BP3051X.650. Let's dive right in. Here it is, the Beverly Hills Polo Club BP3051X.650. The first thing you'll notice is its bold, masculine design. The silver metal strap gives it a premium, sophisticated look, perfect for both formal and casual occasions. The chronograph subdials, combined with the silver accents on the black dial, add to its luxurious feel. Let's take a closer look at its functionality. Adjusting the time and date is a breeze using the crown. The chronograph feature is precise and perfect for timing activities, whether it's a workout session or a meeting. To wrap up, the Beverly Hills Polo Club BP3051X.650 is a fantastic blend of style and functionality. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or just need a reliable daily accessory, this watch won't disappoint. With its durable build, sleek design, and affordable price point, it's a great value for money. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this watch? Until next time, stay stylish and take care.